Good morning to the viewers. Today's communicative session is too casual and it is related to the feelings of emotive expression. During the stage of our emotive expression, how shall we present our expressive emotions? You can take a topic of love because the true love means that you have an unwavering, unbreakable, and unparalleled fondness and devotion for your partner. And loving kindness, compassion, joy, and intimacy are its qualities. The long lasting connection of chemistry in them really unite both the lovers till they live. Their love is really unbreakable. This I have expressed in my song that I have written one poem. Here you can see how does a lover long for her lover whom has she lost recently. He is no more, he has expired, but he really feels for his Geetam of flute. How does she long for him with the sweet memories that are in her mind? That I have portrayed through one poem. Kindly join with me. What a tune plays on in my heart. Now I alone, the mind alone knows. I remain awake that minute, and my eye look towards the way. The moment I listen to the flute, I wonder who does play in my mind. The tune of flute steps for a while. I get up from my sleep and I seek for my lover who is no more. Now, the dancing of his portrait whispers through my eyes. I long for his sweet music that only he whispers. Day after day passes beside the way I sit. Song after song does he sing in the wind of spring. All the time does my mind ache, heals well, while my flute plays. In the light and darkness always, he keeps me alive with his music. So how deeply she loves him. These words view the feelings of her emotive expression. So whenever we are in our deep emotive expression, the words must touch the listener's heart and make use of these words. Try the words on your own to express your deepening emotive expressions to the listener. And the same song you can feel by comparatively connecting the song with a Carnatic song. And do you all remember? அலைபாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனமலைபாயுதே உனானத மோகன வேணுகானமதில் அலைபாயுதே நிலை பெயராது சிலை போலவே நின்ற நேரமாவது அறியாமலே மிக வினோதமான முரளிதர் என் மனம் அலைபாகுதே கண்ணா. You please compare the concept of its effectiveness with the written poem of me to enjoy the conceptive background of the true love for the lost lover. And please try on your own to write more songs or poems like this. There is another English poem, A Lonely Old Man Who Has Lost His Lover, I have written. A grey old man sitting all alone beside a small cottage nestled in the hills, watching and listening the birds flies and chirping, a lonely soul unknown to the human world, silently wiping a teardrop on his cheeks, walking all alone in the midst of tall pine. The place that delights and pleases him the most, he feels the nature as his best company, sharing his smiles and tears with trees, birds, and the whole sky. Thousands of sweet memories hidden in his melancholic heart, and takes him far away at time into the azure of the blue sky, beyond the stars and moon, where the image of his lonely angel reflects from the depth of his mind, from his hidden memory. He suddenly feels a whisper of a heartbeat from the cool drizzle of the spring's outburst. Oh, she's just an old memory, forever, forever in the core of his heart. Now you can see how casually you play with your words to make a new musical effect to color it for painting the expressions to display your emotive feeling. Because the old man who longs for the lost lover hallucinates air who comes in the form of a spirit to wipe off his tears. The same song can be figurated to just have a still in your mind to compare with Kannadasan's line. மன்னவனே அழலாமா கண்ணீரை விடலாமா உயிராய் நான் இருக்க என் உயிராய் நீ இருக்க மன்னவா மன்னவா மன்னவா. I may not be a good singer, but download it at once to view the lines of me so that you can also have your own words to play in English, to add a feather on your cap, to be more emotive to prove your expressions in English. Because love is a beautiful feeling, and share it with your lover, and you can even write your own words to display your emotive expressions. Thank you for listening this session.